Alright, so it is Sunday, March 30th, 2025, and I'm going to do a startup and shutdown on my two Trane XL units in Florida. I just tried to do it, but I failed because this disconnect was out. And I called my grandma, nothing was wrong with it. So, I'm going to try this again. The disconnect is back in. So, let's try this again. Okay, it's on. Hopefully that startup started alright. Now I'm gonna do this one. This is actually a new setup I'm gonna try. So yeah, hopefully you like it and you can see it alright. I'll be back. Hot. They're both running. So, yeah, I got a video of this one running last night. Two-stage XL 19i. It is from April 2004, 2.5 ton. This one blows cold air. Two 2007, 1.5 ton. Yeah. Some interesting stuff happened with this one. So, back in November, I got a photo of it, completely frozen over. Like, all of this, even a little bit of that, and all of that is all completely frozen. So, we thought it was bad defrost boarding. So the text came February 25th, I think. And they said it was fine, but the way it's performing right now, the disconnector's out. It's blowing cold air right now in cool mode. I don't know what's going on with it. So they thought it was gonna have to get replaced, but yeah. I don't know, man. There's no bushing valve. I'm gonna see if I can find a way to test the board, but it's gonna be kinda hard. Alright. So yeah. I'm gonna do the shutdown now. I'm gonna do this one first. Yeah. I'm gonna watch it and see how this one did. But, alright, I'll be back. Alright, so there you go. Now, I'll do this one. Hopefully it does alright. I'm gonna have to use the camera up a little bit. So I just trying to get it right. Alright. Then, alright, I'll be back. Alright, so there you go. Doors on. Start and shut down on my two Trane XL heat pumps in cool mode. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.